Good morning, everyone. This is Sister Symmetria. I'm your teacher for today's lesson. Our lesson is titled, Dump the Disrespect, Honor God and Others. Our Bible verses come from 1 Peter, the second chapter. First Peter, the second chapter, verse 17 says, Show respect for all people. Love the brothers and sisters of God's family. Respect God, honor the king. So, what is respect? Respect is treating someone how you and they want to be treated. Respect also is caring about the thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and rights of someone else. Respect is an attitude that honors another person in authority, such as a parent, teacher, policeman, or government leader. Today, we will talk about how Jesus is our example in showing respect to others. Jesus honored his Father's will and went to the cross. He did not disrespect those who put him there, but prayed for their forgiveness. So, what does the Bible tell us about showing respect? The Bible tells us in Matthew, the seventh chapter, regardless of how we perceive other people to be, we are all God's creations, and it's God's will for all of us to show respect to one another. The greatest commandment is, You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart and with all your soul and all your mind. This is the great and the first commandment. And a second is like, You shall love your neighbor as yourself. On these two commandments depend on the law. God does not force us to honor him, but he loves us and honors us so we can honor him in response. Because we honor God, we want to honor others as well, even if they do not deserve it. We should never show disrespect. Disrespect is words and actions that are rude and show a lack of respect. Disrespectfulness does not please God. Let's all dump the disrespect. Children, please remember showing respect to others is very important. When you respect people, it shows that you have great character. It shows that you take a lot of things into consideration about other people. It shows that you value people and that you also know how to demonstrate kindness. Remember to dump the disrespect. Showing respect is very important. Let's talk about what the letters in respect can stand for. For R, you should respond with an uncomplaining voice or remember to say thank you to your parents for anything. E, you should encourage a friend or enjoy helping your mom or dad with a job in the house. S, it is nice to support others and honor them, or say things like yes, mom, in a gentle voice, or yes, ma'am, and yes, sir, whenever speaking to an adult. P, say things like, please, may I leave the table? Or P can be for provide. You can provide a teacher with a new box of tissue. That is being kind. E, encourage. Encourage a kid who may be criticized by others. It is nice whenever you encourage others because you show that you care. C, consider. An example would be to consider your mom's feelings as she made dinner for you. Or care. C can be for care. You can care for your sister or brother when they are hurt. T for talk. Talk nicely about people in front and behind their backs. Never gossip, but if you have something to say about someone, make sure it is something nice. Respect. Those are all ways that you can show respect. It is so important that we show that we know how to respect one another. Dump the disrespect. Remember in our Bible reading, 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 17 tells us clearly that it is important to show respect to everyone. You should always treat others the way that you would like to be treated. That is a great way of showing respect. And I'm speaking of others like your teachers, your parents, your friends, your siblings, and people who are in authority. In closure, I would like for you to take a moment just to think about why it is important to dump the disrespect. In a world where you can be anything, be kind. Show respect to everyone.